I want to say. Being in a fight with what version of you is in control for that day. Who are you going to be during your day once you wake up? And I think this is a really good area to cover because it starts a second you wake up. You have got that decision. We've covered choice and how you move your world around by your own parameters and what goes through your own thoughts. But through your own choice of who you are that day, really is going to outline what's happening because I can portray that I'm good, but I've decided that I'm going to be a destructive animal of society, or I'm going to be very abusive or controlling or sad and cowering and be really lost as a whole. And you can make these up in the day, or you could plan yourself weeks in advance and said you're going to do something that night, and then alcohol kicks in. That didn't help on my part. But, going forward, I think you are a different version of yourself every single day. Obviously, you're hopefully a better version. You're going to have days where you are going to be choosing the wrong stuff, being that wrong person, saying the wrong things.